Hi, Amy here, and today I want to talk about a really great alternative to Photoshop or other types of graphic design programs, and that is Canva. Now, Canva is a free and easy way that you can use to design a lot of different things. Canva does have a couple of tiers. They have free and paid, so it's more of a freemium program, but there's a lot of stuff you can do with their free level. So design software has come a long way. It used to be that you would have to use like Photoshop, which is expensive, or something similar. There are now some lower cost alternatives to Photoshop, but those along with Photoshop can be complicated to use. And they're really, I think, leveraged best often by more advanced designers or people who are really focusing on design. However, if you do have any type of online publishing or business or anything you're doing, a lot of times you will need design elements. And that's where Canva could come in for the person who maybe does not have a big design background, like myself. It makes it just a lot easier to put together things quickly. So as I mentioned, Canva is a free and a paid tier, so it's more of a freemium online graphic design program and includes a lot of different functions and templates. They really cover pretty much everything that you might want to design. And it just makes it really easy to put together things quickly because A, they have templates, and B, it's really a drag and drop type of thing. So as I was mentioning, in most cases, depending on what you're doing, you are going to be needing some type of graphics, whether you're writing a blog, or doing a side hustle, you're going to need some graphics. And being able to develop them yourselves is going to be helping you get things out there faster and easier. So images really can work better for getting your content to pop more. There's tons of statistics out there about how people really respond a lot more to visuals than they do to the written word. So if you are putting together written content, it's a great idea to put together visuals as well, whether it's books or printables or whatever it is that you're doing. And with Canva, it is really geared toward beginners. It's super easy to use. It is an online program. You don't download it, so you do have to have an internet connection. So to get started with Canva, let me give you this quick demo. You go to canva.com, select New to Canva, sign up. See their link there at the bottom. And then you can sign up with Google, Facebook, or email. If at some point you think you might have like an assistant or somebody put these together for you, you might want to use email so you can save your login credentials for them. And because if you do Google or Facebook, you won't be able to do that. Then you click Get Started. It's free after you sign up. And Canva really is designed with a lot of time-saving features. So you have templates, you have tools, and you also have a lot of free elements that you can use as well to quickly create your products and graphics. So if you'd like to learn a little bit more about using Canva, you might want to check out Easy Canva Publishing. This is a video training which goes over how to create a lot of different types of graphics and things along those lines that you would be using inside Canva.